How to convert your PowerPoint from Google Drive to PDF on the Make platform. Ensure consistent display of your PowerPoint presentation across different devices. Open the Make platform in Google. Click here to create a new scenario. Click and select Google Drive. Choose Download a file. Select your document here. Then click Save. Select Next. Choose ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Select PPT to PDF, start a task. Click here to enter your license key to connect to ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Don't have a ComPDF API account yet? Click here to sign up for a free account, which allows you to process 1,000 documents for free each month. Then, open the ComPDF API dashboard page. Click API Keys. Here, you can directly copy the license key, or you can click here to create a new one. Okay, go back to Make. After entering the license key, click Save. Next, select Upload a file. Continue to the next step, start a task. After this step, you need to add a flow control, and then select Repeater to repeat the next step. Click Next, get file information. Then, create two routers. One for tools, which indicates that when the target file has not been generated, it will return to refetch the file information. One for HTTP, which indicates that when the target file has been generated, it will return the file URL. After the target file is generated, add a Google Drive module again. Click Upload a file. Here, remember to select this option, as Google Drive does not support direct URL uploads. Then select JSON, parse JSON. Enter the command. Finally, select Add Error Handler. Commit to complete the entire task. After finishing, click Run once. When it turns to 1, it means the target file has been generated. Open Google Drive. Download the document. Open it on different devices. No difference at all.